Here's the thing. Most businesses are stuck asking customers what they want, but customers can't tell you what they don't know exists. That's the trap. And today, we're breaking free from it. If you're tired of incremental improvements and ready for breakthrough insights, hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep into techniques that change everything. Welcome to Uncovering Latent Customer Needs, Techniques Beyond Surveys. Steve Jobs said it best. Customers don't know what they want until you show it to them. That quote, it's our North Star today. Think about it. When Sony created the Walkman, nobody asked for portable music. They couldn't imagine it. That's latent need territory, and there's a complete PDF handout waiting for you in the description below. Grab it. You'll want to reference this later. Let's map our journey. Slide 2 shows exactly where we're headed. First, we're tackling the survey problem, why traditional methods fail spectacularly. Then we're unpacking 5 powerful techniques that actually work. You'll see real-world examples from Netflix, Spotify, and companies you know. And finally, action steps you can implement tomorrow morning. Not theory, practice. This progression, it's intentional. Each piece builds on the last. Are you ready to see what you've been missing? Now, why do surveys fall short? Here's the brutal truth. Customers tell you what they think they need. But here's the kicker. They can't articulate what they don't know exists. Think about your last survey. Customers checked boxes, rated features, gave feedback, all conscious, all surface level. The Sony Walkman principle proves this. Nobody asked for it because imagination has limits. So where's the real gold? In the gap between stated needs and latent needs. That gap? That's where breakthrough innovation lives. And you're probably making this mistake, trusting what customers say instead of watching what they do. Let's fix that. Slide 4 introduces 5 techniques that reveal truth. Are you taking notes yet? First, ethnographic observation, watching actual behavior. Second, the jobs to be done framework, understanding the real why. Third, behavioral data analytics, mining digital footprints. Fourth, contextual inquiry, learning in real environments. And fifth, lead user analysis, studying extreme cases. Each one bypasses conscious reporting. Each reveals hidden patterns. And here's the connection to that survey problem we just covered. These techniques don't ask, they observe, they infer, they uncover. Subscribe if you want more insights like these. We're just getting started. Technique 1, ethnographic observation. Watch behavior, not words. Here's why this matters. Humans adapt to bad solutions unconsciously. You've done this. I've done this. We all normalize workarounds until they're invisible. Netflix discovered binge-watching not by asking viewers, but by observing viewing patterns. Nobody said, I want episodes to autoplay, but the behavior screamed it. Look for 3 things: workarounds, frustrations, and desire paths. Those normalized struggles, that's your insight goldmine. Are you watching your customers closely enough or just listening to their words? Technique 2 flips everything. Jobs to be done asks, what job are customers hiring you for? Clayton Christensen nailed it. People don't want a quarter-inch drill. They want a quarter-inch hole. See the shift? Intuit learned this studying Quicken users. Customers weren't hiring accounting software. They were hiring financial security and marital harmony. The emotional job trumped the functional one. And here's your mistake. You're probably improving features customers don't care about. The fix? Ask about jobs, not features. If this resonates, check out Competing Against Luck by Christensen. It's transformational. Technique 3, behavioral analytics. Actions speak louder than statements. Always. Abandoned carts, they reveal real price sensitivity, surveys miss completely. Feature usage shows what truly matters. Navigation patterns expose confusion you didn't know existed. Spotify proved this brilliantly. Skip rates revealed a need for mood-based playlists, not better song quality. The principle? Revealed preference beats stated preference every single time. Amazon's recommendation engine doesn't ask what you want. It infers from behavior. Are you tracking the right behaviors in your product? Technique 4, contextual inquiry. Become the apprentice. Work alongside customers in their actual environment. Not your office, not a lab, but where they live and breathe. Microsoft discovered formatting consumed 40% of document creation time. Nobody mentioned it in surveys because it was normalized. The technique? Ask, show me how, not tell me about. Master-apprentice dynamics capture tacit knowledge, the stuff experts can't verbally explain because it's automatic. Contextual Design by Hugh Beyer goes deeper on this. Where are your customers really working, and are you there with them? Technique 5, lead user analysis. Learn from the extreme. Customers at the edge preview future mainstream needs. Mountain bikers modifying motorcycles, that created an entire category before manufacturers noticed. These extreme users matter because they experience acute pain around needs others haven't recognized yet. Look for high need intensity, creative adaptations, custom solutions. What innovators adopt today, the masses desire tomorrow. 3M studied field hospital surgeons. Extreme conditions revealed portable sterile wound care needs that went mainstream. Who are your extreme users? And what are they building that you're not offering? Here's the core principle connecting everything. Observe behavior, interpret context, infer needs from the gap between intentions and actions. This gap is where competitive advantage lives. All 5 techniques share this DNA. The organizations mastering it don't just improve products, they redefine entire categories. Are you seeing the pattern? It's not about asking better questions, it's about watching more carefully. Your action plan starts now. Week 1, shadow 3 customers in their environment. Week 2, conduct jobs to be done interviews with recent switchers. Week 3, analyze behavioral data for friction patterns. Week 4, identify and interview 2 lead users. Start small. Pick 1 technique this week. Don't overwhelm yourself trying everything at once. Which technique fits your current challenge best? That's your starting point. Try this tomorrow, the observation challenge. Watch 3 customers use your product for 30 minutes each. Document 3 workarounds, 2 frustrations, 1 emotional reaction. That's it. Simple but powerful. The patterns you see will surprise you because what customers don't mention is often more valuable than what they say. This single exercise reveals more than 100 survey responses. Are you willing to invest 90 minutes to transform your understanding? Want to go deeper? 5 books amplify these techniques. The Ethnographic Interview by James Spradley for observation mastery. Competing Against Luck by Clayton Christensen for jobs to be done. Lean Analytics by Alistair Kroll for behavioral insights. The Innovator's DNA by Christensen, Dyer, and Gregerson for lead user thinking, and Hooked by Near Isle for behavioral patterns. Each complements a specific technique. Check your local library for free access. No excuses. Reflection time. What customer behavior have you been overlooking? Which workaround have you normalized? Here's the truth. Discomfort signals your If insights challenge your assumptions, you're on the right track. The most profound discoveries surface needs your current product can't address. That's not failure. That's valuable data pointing toward your next innovation. The invisible architecture of innovation, that's what latent needs represent. Competitive advantages surveys cannot capture. Peter Drucker said, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." Start today. Observe 1 customer. Notice the contradictions between words and actions. That's where magic happens. Download the complete PDF guide from the description. Reference these strategies anytime, and if this shifted your perspective, subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your next breakthrough is hiding in plain sight. Quick disclosure before we close, book recommendations may contain affiliate links, full transparency, supporting quality resources at no extra cost to you. Now go uncover those insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, the compound effect of applying these techniques transforms customer understanding into market-defining innovation. See you in the next one.